Ready to roll the dice on some buzzy stocks? The stock market is a place where fortunes are made and lost, sometimes in the blink of an eye. Every day, investors around the world are faced with the same question: should I buy, should I hold, or should I pass? Today, we're diving into 3 stocks that have been making waves: RELI, HUSA, and RBNE. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the story behind these tickers can help you make smarter decisions. So let's take a closer look at what makes these companies tick, what risks they carry, and whether they might deserve a spot in your portfolio. Let's talk RELI, HUSA, and RBNE. These aren't your typical blue-chip giants. Instead, they're smaller, more volatile, and often overlooked by the mainstream media. But sometimes, it's the underdogs that surprise us the most. Each of these companies operates in a different sector, faces unique challenges, and offers its own brand of opportunity and risk. So what's the real story behind the ticker symbols? Let's break it down one by one. Alright, let's break it down. First up, RELI, Reliance Global Group, insurance and real estate plus a sprinkle of tech. RELI is a company that's trying to do something ambitious: blend the traditional world of insurance and real estate with the fast-moving, ever-evolving world of technology. Imagine a company that's not just selling insurance policies or managing properties, but also building digital platforms to make those processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. That's the vision behind RELI. They're not a household name, at least not yet, but they're working hard to carve out a niche in a crowded market. They're small, but they're hungry. RELI's been pushing into new markets, looking for that digital edge. In the insurance world, technology is changing everything, from how policies are sold, to how claims are processed, to how customers interact with their providers. RELI is betting that by embracing digital tools, they can outmaneuver bigger, slower competitors. They're investing in software, building partnerships, and trying to reach customers who want a more modern, streamlined experience. It's a bold strategy, but it's not without risks. The insurance and real estate industries are both highly regulated, and breaking in as a small player can be tough. But for investors who believe in the power of innovation, RELI's story is one to watch. If they succeed, early investors could win big. But remember, with small caps, volatility is the name of the game. RELI's stock price has seen its share of ups and downs, sometimes swinging wildly in response to news, earnings reports, or even rumors. That's the nature of small cap stocks. They can soar on good news, but they can also tumble just as quickly. For some investors, that volatility is exciting, a chance to make big gains in a short period of time. For others, it's a source of stress and sleepless nights. If you're thinking about investing in RELI, it's important to ask yourself, how much risk are you comfortable with? Are you in it for the long haul, or are you hoping for a quick win? And